This is Jonathan with Landworks Landscapes. We're back on the Mound Street drainage project we did last year. We put a French drain next to the house here and tied into a new gutter system on this two-story house. Tied it directly into the downspout. Tied the downspout directly into the drain over there. The French drain's underneath this rock here over to the corner. And then we drained it out through this area here across the driveway through the flower bed and into the backyard close to the woods there. We also drained out the other side of the house as well, coming from that corner of the house. There was already a line under the driveway that we used, and we drained it back to the back corner of the lot there. So we're back adding to that. Today we're going to put another French drain on the other side of this brick sidewalk. We're digging out behind the air conditioning units right now. This will capture water runoff from the roof to drain directly into our French drain there on the drip line. We're going to dig out through here. French drain will be next to the house, and then we'll take solid pipe all the way out to the curb. We'll dig through here around the pecan trees, bore underneath the sidewalk, and put our drill through the curb here, put our drain curb right here in this area. We'll have two drains. We're going to run two drain pipes to make sure our volume is good for collection. And underneath the sidewalk there, and we'll haul all the material off. The mats will help protect the grass while we're working, and we'll leave them in good shape. Give us a call at Landworks Landscapes, 936-615-6568 for your drainage and landscape needs.